mama yenkwa ehun hia mama ya brabo ayebo no ehun hia na afi bibia ntimi nkọ kama envama because nkwanhia no afi de abro so kura especially said the America 10 so ekoso ya kwans nyina no majority boils down to a lot of indiscipline on the part of all of us a passenger for
one who saw video no I say in their car eson locks na indiano good trotro
you know
Thanos Kumasi
very worrying no but I no crowd the men dey be amekaya atena Kumasi achena ahensan ne sa asokwane sa timber cars no ye hu e fon so akunya
oda so wo hopa no da obi we load nua na odi free sawmills odi fro hospital be pono e be po kakra o Hasan we do da government hospital no etimi design Intino me giri say there's too much indiscipline and there's too much talk and lamentations, but we don't apply what we need to apply. And maybe also kasi de mra na chichiri kuru no o yese utu na more de mra ya adwuma pe na interpretations na inferences na koye bebre the country Ghana is somewhat becoming a very confused country. So what I say, country of lamentations. So what I say, a country that we want say a bit tumpong, but the same old things. Expect to say a bit different results. That's the problem. And no matter dana, that's what I want. So no mana, and you share him say. It's not possible. And no matter that now. And no matter that because CJ Bobichema, because Obiabe Hunyoma, the problem is in but the solution to the problem. Yeguswa to Regu Abonte, Yeguswa Jina Quanche, Daddy Katakata car quite you did that tone. O call Juma Musa Obibaya Juma, Yetrianica Busumia, Abel Juma, Obacosa on Yejman, or no crown or Joe Krataka call the next office crown. A problem for him. Yeah. Overquad you Obiajuma is to report to 8:30. Onipa report to 10:30. Okoka it's a problem. Trot driver Jina Quen Fin Ludu. Oh, Bonuswa Bain, no, did you attempt. A country that is resorting to the attempt a solution to our crises and problems. It's BBS, Nsem, and the Biameka. Martins follow apart, we not center and Timia hold there. And the anarchy is the next thing. Because Obi be to a certain game in this country. Everybody thinks that or is smarter and wiser. It's the Ghana identity, the Ghana patriotism, no. Aira. Oman timi ya nhwehan ama oman yaduane ya de wo ye no ya yere frisi aduane ho ya ho siesie ya yere frisi ho siesie no afa ye kasa kran so ye kanso kran so ya yere frisi kasa because broni change everything that we the Ghana we have and edian wo do nyina no I before free dinim Asante for free dinim Efante for free omudimu edim basa na de tutoto ye ho even the identity of who a Ghanaian is the Ghana yes I no and now fun criteria hama almost all the noticeable joints are for good dignity. I don't know if you so the Bibia ye Ghana no ya how can any a donny pepai or man no era. There's too much chaos and indiscipline all because of young Kasa near creative. There's too much chaos and indiscipline all because young near creative because they be America who had the percentage of active politicians in this country. They cannot control us. We can control them. But omono because because all of us are beneficiaries. All of us. And some papa na then we are not even bound to talk. Unim the oil illegal connection area. Also unka. Yeah. The watching Magana Eboka Delphina Mwakwa or Omanhene. We want to go to heaven, but we don't want to die. Yeah. Another nice way to explain the situation. Yeah, we want to go to heaven. How do you get there? We are attacking every government institution. Every government institution is being attacked from the statistical service and from the statistical service to whatever to the police to the military immigration BBI attacking them. When we finish attacking, then say and who spill over the say then we start complaining. I'll end with UTAC. mesre so baby ekeka kono de
adubrao
omo anya careful a omebo omachina no ma bebiri asai mesre se baby ekeka kono de omo anya careful a omebo omachi omati ase de yen fom so obeche no na nyoma bebiri agensem ti mesre mpemfo am oyitag mesre mo madaroma mesre mo bebiri mu awofo ne Ghana fo ade hye mobo na ye wo fast ne nananam ne yere ne ekunu na on timi sanko back to the classroom na monko kire o made na bebia na mo kire mpo na dance na mo just space atum mo kire mpo ana dance na mo say just space esi timi be sia na madase as what says on tade just not to expose your stomach but na dey you afunama ene dey me dey me mpem asem di no me na ma no ba bie hojo wo ho tu chi akakra to a chi akakra se me no dey se me yeso nti edie dey Aisha na nya ne dokunu bi dia ho ye dey nye hu se be se Michael Jackson odi adwane wa ma no nyina eso anya kese da me no dey di kitwa bi so anokra na aginsem eno me peta ma me didi sana je kwa so chere we mu se kamen ko diet we kamen ko diet na mo we serious ye be didi a e se peche yako if you ada me dey jaw